Now, when it comes to foldable phones, people are always worried about two things. Number one, screen crack, because you have a big screen inside and also another screen outside. Now, the second thing is green lines forming in the screen, okay? Now, since I am also an owner of a foldable now, which is the Honor Magic V5, I'm here at their service center to ask them more about the warranty. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and I'm currently with the manager of the Honor Service Center. His name is Kaho. Okay, so I want to ask you, I have the Honor Magic V5, right? If I crack my screen inside or outside, what should I do? Do I have to pay to fix?
不需要。Honor Magic V5 它是有1年的水平保价险，所以里面跟外面包了的话，1年里面它可以免费换一次。
Oh, so it's actually free to fix the screen outside and also inside. But do we have to pay labor fee?
需要，它是需要给一个86块10的人工费。
Okay, so screen crack warranty is free, but still have to pay a small labor fee. Okay, next question. What if suddenly I see got green line in my screen? Also, maybe like some black liquid in my screen. What should I do?
不用紧 ，Honor 是有 free 2年的保价，如果是质量问题的话，是可以无限次换的。漏液的情况咯，还有 green line 的问题，或者是没有影，都是可以无限次换的。
Wow, so 2 years unlimited replacement during the warranty period. Wow, so now that we know that Honor is actually giving 1 year worry-free crack protection and also 2 years of non-user induced damage screen replacement unlimited, and I wonder like, why are they so confident that they are willing to do this for all customers? Now that's because Honor is using very high quality materials to build the Honor Magic V5. For example, this Honor Anti-Scratch Nano Crystal Shield. This crystal shield provides 3 times wear resistance, 10 times drop resistance, and 15 times scratch resistance. Basically, they are pushing the limits for foldable screens. And on the inside, we have triple protection with Honor Super Armored inner screen. So it's triple protection because the inner screen features a 3-layer protective structure. The outer layer, alumina-coated anti-scratch layer, is for enhanced scratch resistance. And in the middle, there's a non-Newtonian fluid coating to absorb impacts and drops. If you have seen my earlier video about the Magic V5, you would have seen a video of me punching this liquid, and it's so hard when it's punched. It's so amazing. And the inner layer has a full carbon fiber backing near the hinge to prevent dust ingress, which is a common thing that will cause green lines on foldable screens. And next, we look at the back, which is aerospace grade fiber body. It's made from 7 layers of advanced aerospace grade fibers, improving impact resistance by 40 times. It's basically the same materials as spacesuit suspension ropes. And next up, we look at their hinge, and they call it the Super Steel Hinge. This hinge is tested for 500,000 folds, and that's durable enough for 13 plus years even with 100 folds every day. Now when it comes to water and dust resistance, it is rated IP59 and also IP58. That basically means it can block dust particles larger than 1 mm. IP58 basically means it can survive 30 minutes in 1.5 meter deep water, and IP59 means dust-proof and also withstand high pressure, high temperature water jets from all directions. Now when it comes to smartphones, we always talk about specs, right? But finally, since we are at Honor Service Center, we get to see all the materials that makes all these specs. For example, this. So this is a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and this is the titanium vapor chamber cooling. Together, the Magic V5 is powered by a powerful chip with massive cooling, and hence, it can be labeled as the most powerful foldable. Now, with a combination of a powerful chip and also massive cooling, real-world tests shows that exceptional thermal control under heavy loads, for example gaming, processor throttling is reduced by nearly 50%. Now what I'm looking at now are the components and the insides of the camera system of the Honor Magic V5. Come, let's take a closer look. Now, the camera system of the Honor Magic V5 is made out of 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and also a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. They have dual OIS supporting up to 100 times hybrid zoom. Now, but the star for me inside the Honor Magic V5 has to be this. This is the ultra thin silicon carbon battery, and it has 5820 mAh. Can you see how thin it is? It's almost like as thin as a 50-cent coin. Even with just 2.1 mm thick, it supports 66 watt super fast charging for wired and also 50 watt wireless Honor Supercharge. And that also means we can get a 50% charge in just 16 minutes. So after talking to Kaho and also checking out all the hardware that goes into the Honor Magic V5, I have two words for everyone who is planning to buy the Honor Magic V5. Worry-free, because we have screen crack protection. We also have unlimited replacement of the display, and of course, all the good stuff that goes inside that makes sure that you have the best foldable in the market now. Now, if you're interested to get one, this thing is only $6,999 for 12GB plus 512GB version. And if you want to know more, you can click on the link below this video. So if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press on the button below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!